welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a Dollar Tree DIY, having fall be here so soon. We have had such cold, nice fall weather lately and I am so excited. So doing DIYs for fall and putting them in the house just make my life like so excited. If you could see the freaking grin on my face, it just won't go away. It's so annoying. So anyways, I'm gonna be making like some sort of shadow box and I'm so excited to make it. I'm just going to get started because my intros are way too long and sometimes it's really annoying and it kind of annoys me too. So here we go. Alright, so the first things I use is these 1 o'clock picture frames, and then I use these galvanized letters that say Harvest, Thankful, and Welcome, and I used the one that says Harvest on them, some acorns, and then a bunch of flowers, leaves, pine cones of your choice, and then I also decided to throw in some burlap and some LED lights. I got those for ONFORU. I will leave the link in the description box below for you. And then now I am just taking a razor blade and getting this 1 o'clock off. I think it is just paint from the looks of it is when I was, getting it off, but it was actually really easy. I started doing this. I didn't even have a razor blade in there. I don't even know what was going on, but anyways. And then I just took all of my flowers and leaves and pine cones and acorns and try to figure out what I wanted to do with them and see if they would all fit and if I had enough room. And then I just laid the LED lights right on top. And then I just started gluing the leaves and the flowers on top, and then I left the little button to turn them on and off. I left that out, and then I'm eventually going to just glue it to the side. I thought that would look so cute, and then it'd be so easy to turn it on and off. And then, yeah, so I am just gluing things around, and I don't even know why I tested out the first time around because I took everything off and then had no idea how I started things in the first place. So I just kind of did all this, had to add extra leaves, but I think this turned out so cute, and this is like the easiest DIY ever. You just take your hot glue, you take some frames and some flowers and some decor, and you just glue it together.
Rain is falling on my skin. I'm standing where it all began. A reason for that feeling within. Countless times been standing here.
And then to make the shadow box, I'm just going to take the top and use some E6000 and hot glue, and I'm just going to glue the two frames together. This is like so exciting. And it actually stayed really well, and I had to keep like pushing it up and down, so I had to like re-glue this because the flowers kept like bending and I didn't like the way they looked, so I had to like keep ripping it off and putting it back together. But it turned out so good, and then I just glued this harvest sign right to the front of this. This is like the best fall decor item I've ever seen. I'm like so proud of this, you guys.
Feels the same, I swear. Done with what it means I can't bear. Tears are falling from the sky, but I'm not worried. I know I will end up dry.
And then now I'm just going to cut some burlap and I fold it right in half. And a few people have asked me how I make my ribbons and if I would show. And this is, you guys, this is how I do it. It's hard to explain, but I just kind of wrap it around to make it look like a bow and just hope it turns out for the best. And then I just take some twine and tie it right down the center of it. Alright, you guys, that is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this fall DIY, a Dollar Tree decor. I am so happy with this cute little shadow box. I love the lights. I love everything about this. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Original.